Well, hello, today I'm gonna upgrade a Dell Vostro 3750 notebook. I believe this was a business model back in the day. Well, let's get on with it. On the left we got eSATA, HDMI, mic and headphone jack ports and an SD card reader. On the right side we have 3 USB ports and a DVD writer. On the back you will find VGA, a modem port, a Kensington lock and your power adapter port. As always, I will install a Samsung SSD and I will also increase the RAM to a total of 8 GB. After the installation of Windows 10 on an SSD, the laptop boots in 14 seconds. Now this thing is still awesome. It's fast, it's quiet, it's a fantastic laptop for school projects or for watching movies on your television thanks to the HDMI port. So with an SSD, 8 GB of RAM and a fresh installation, this would do for most people. If you're not willing to spend a lot of money on a new laptop, this is your alternative. And a good one. Mission saving a Dell Vostro 3750 accomplished. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.